Красавица, машалла, шейха, принцесска. Please give me advice how I need feed and which good food, quality food I need to give for кролик, for my sheikha. Because she eat only specifically food. I don't know which specifically food feed she. She eat a lot of protein, little bit China green, little bit gross, specifically gross. I buy every 3 months. Different food, fruits, everything different, vegetable, this not allowed first. Second, she not eat at all. This problem, yes. I need to take care of she too much. Give me advice, please. People who see me. We give to you kiss, everybody. I'm Dubai кролик. I say for everyone, hello, merhaba. Пупсик, пупсик. Мою зойку. Lot of language, yes.